Welcome, my name is Austin, and you're watching the Chickadee with 3 YouTube channel. Over the next 3 days, we're going to be hiking 60 kilometers across Kejimkujik National Park and Historic Site, doing the iconic Liberty Lake Loop. My friend Shelby is once again joining me for this adventure, and buckle up, it's going to be a good one. So here we are for round 2. We're going at the Liberty Lake Loop again here at Keji. Last time we of course did not do so well. This time we're hoping we do a lot better. We're doing it the opposite way around, which is why the scenery around here is a lot different. Feeling a lot better. We're a lot lighter this time. Yeah. Although it looks like we might have some stuff on our bags, it's not too bad. It's not nearly what it was last time.
We're not carrying 2 grocery store bags and a cooler.
No firewood or no fires. There's no way that we're gonna hike this long and be able to have a fire. Like we realized last time it was just way too much weight and we took way too long with it. So this time, none of it.
I mean, we're still bringing a couple happy items and stuff like that. Maybe stuff we don't need to, but the weight is definitely significantly better than last time. I feel a lot better about this than than last time. I will say that. Holy.
No, it's still going to be a challenge. Like I said, it's roughly 60 kilometers or so. Anyway, let's get going. So heading to our first campsite, the trail is all well maintained because there's a few cabins along this route. And that means bigger trail for us, easier hiking, but we're gonna stay thankful for this one because it's going to get a lot worse tomorrow. We've been told that it's going to be quite thick and the trail may be hard to spot at times. I want to show what's out here, but I hope that we can also inspire to get you to come out and do this for yourself and get out there in the woods. I can only show so much. These hikes are, well, these ones are 3 days, and I'm trying to fit this into a half-hour video, so there's no way I'm going to show everything that we see or talk about. Try and include all the cool bits as much as we can. Yeah, I hope that you can be inspired too to come out here and do this. Or anywhere. Just get out in the woods. That's it. I guess most channels ask you to subscribe. I'm not going to do that this video. No, I'm going to ask you to go outside. That's it. Even if you watch this video outside, we'll call it good. No, I do hope you get outside more. Now this sure is nice. As we're chilling, enjoying the lovely views of the lake, a nice little deer. He decided since we're using the bridge, he'll go another route. Beautiful. Good boy. Good boy. He'll probably hop back on the trail far enough out.
It's crazy that he's smart enough to just walk around the other way to avoid us. Wow.
Like, to be willing to get that close and not be uncomfortable. They're definitely used to nice people out here. Definitely no hunters, ever. What?
I'm asking you guys, do you think I was going to say yes this time?
Nah, you're hungry. You're determined. I knew you'd say yes. You want it. You want it from the bottom of your soul.
I know we can do it. We need to do it. What a great hike so far, honestly, though. Without the weight, doing much, much better.
Yeah. We stop for breaks when we want to now. Not because we feel tired that we have to. So, definitely a good thing that we dropped some weight. Makes the whole thing a lot more enjoyable, that's for sure. So we have made it to Portage K. We've been doing really good, roughly 5 hours in. And this place is just gorgeous. Shelby down there checking out the lake.
Very nice lake.
So yeah, checking out the map.
We're right here.
Yeah. So we started here at Ilweir parking.
And so here, we went down, along, to there. And we couldn't even do last time from here to there. And we've already done that plus some. Because we're right there, and we're so close to our campsite. And we're at 41. That's where we are now. So close.
We are very close. We got a lot to go around the lakes here, but it won't be too bad. We've seen a very friendly deer, but that's pretty much it. We saw some squirrels, a lot of squirrels, chipmunks, but not much else. But yeah, check out this lake. Now, isn't that gorgeous? We've got more to go. We'll soon be there. Roughly 4 kilometers left to go. I know that sounds bad, but it isn't that bad. That's actually pretty good. So that's where we were gonna be at 38. But we decided to get a bit more time in to the day. So we're staying at 41. But like I said, 41 is still ways out, so we got some hiking left to do. It's roughly 5:30 now. Figure we'll get there around 6:37. Won't be too bad. Still plenty of daylight left. It's a lot of hiking in a day. Huge confidence booster. We finally see the last lake. All the way through the trees. And we'll be staying all the way on the other side of that lake. Right as the nice trail turns to thick brush. On the edge. So it does say campsite reservation required, but we're just peeking in, seeing what we could have got. Shelby's already made himself comfortable.
No.
You're not ready for another hour, are you?
Yeah, one more hour before we're at our campsite.
Yeah. Beautiful spot though. This is good cards. Somebody left a lighter. How kind.
This is Colin, Liverpool, Warren, Liverpool here.
This is really cool. I'm glad that they have this available to people. And very clean. Look at that. And left a propane tank in there. What a fella. Bathtub 2000. It's hard to see in the video, but these walls are absolutely covered in names. Yeah. This is awesome. But we're not staying here. We still got more places to go. More.
Yep, one more hour.
Oh, man. Maybe one day we're not trying to complete a quest. At least we got to look into it. Kind of them to just leave it open in case somebody did need to stay here. Very smart. I don't think you should be locking cabins in the backwoods.
Okay, well, you're young and spry.
Yeah. So we're almost there. This is where the trail turns into a biking trail. Or not biking trail. Biking. So there's the trail that we came in on. Basically wide enough for a car. And then gets to the brush. But on the maps it shows where the trail splits. We are very close to where we need to be. So another couple of minutes and we'll be there. We're stoked. We were really hoping for something. It's been a few hours just walking through the woods, not really seeing anything. So it's hard to stay inspired when all you see is trees around you for like a few hours. And it's nice. Like, we come out here for the nature. Like, that's what we want to see. We want to feel like we're lost out here, but it's still nice to see the progress. Oh yeah. This is a little bit more what I had in mind. Not so much trails. Not so much biking trails, more hiking trails. Looks a little grown in though. Tree down over the trail. Since we're on the hiking pass, we're starting to come across trail markers. 41. This trail is going to be harder than I thought it was going to be. 41. — 17 kilometers tomorrow. There's a bridge. Do we get a... Oh, we do. We get a picnic table all the way out here. They told us no fire here, but it looks like somebody called together a fire pit. Tisk tisk. Not good on ya. Big rock.
I have my feet off and my shoes off.
Yeah. My feet are so sore that I could literally just like lay down on this bench and sleep. The bugs are biting. But I just don't have the energy to stop them.
No.
Oh my. Crazy that we came all the way from there. Illware. Came all the way down. Somehow missed this cabin. I don't remember seeing W2.
Yeah,
But I do remember seeing W1. W1 was the one that we checked out. As you can see, we were going to stay at 38 and then backtrack because this path just goes there. But the kind ladies at the Jake's Landing told us we should go to 41 and get that much further in for this day. And we were originally planning on staying at 42 the second night. So we were going to stay at 38 and 42, but the problem is then we had all the top side to come back down over to parking down here at the Big Dam Lake. But now we're staying at 41 where we're here now, right on the river that goes out to the lake. And then we're staying at 43, which is just along a brook. And we'll pass by Liberty Lake instead of sleeping there. The trail is a lot worse, and we have to make sure that when we get all this way in, that we don't keep going straight, that we do take a hard kind of left back. Because otherwise we could get really far in and have a really far way out. It would ruin our whole trip.
It would very much ruin.
But yeah, it's a bit treacherous around here. So we're just sitting at camp here and all of a sudden we heard like a tree fall over or something like that. Luckily the cameraman never dies, so I'm all good. I don't know about Shelby over there, but I'm all good. So we're just getting ready to cook now. We heard that tree fall just on the other side of the river right there. But for now, we're just exploring the lot. 41. So there's one tent pad. I'm still in the other tent pad. So come out of here for a second. So yeah, there's, like I said, 1, 2 right there, kind of in the bush a little bit. And then if we want to go to the outhouse, this is a little trail to the outhouse. I'll be honest, it's fairly grown in. Wouldn't take much to trim it, but I'd love to do it, but I just don't know if I can. So we'll leave it. I'm not gonna get in any trouble, but I love to do that stuff. Clean up, leave it better than how you found it. Yeah, that's it. I don't really know where this trail goes. I do wonder if it goes to the lake or not. Probably does, but it's so grown in, I'm not gonna try it. I'll go to the lake to wash off, but after walking through that, I just get dirty again.
Oh, you got mild pepperoni this time, did you? Instead of hot?
Oh, my mom got it for me.
Oh, better choice.
What, you'll eat some of it this time?
Yeah. That stuff gets really hot actually when you fry it. Honestly. But we don't have a lot of water, so we're gonna have fried pepperoni and hot dogs. Hopefully it's so good being after in the bag all day.
Oh, yeah. They're hot dogs. Definitely.
Taste it. Is it good? Oh yeah.
Oh, I bet.
Oh yeah. So good. So good.
Oh, this is gonna be nice. Sure, all day of hiking. I say all day. We started about noon, but we finished about 8, so we could put 8 hours into it. So that's fair. I feel accomplished.
We when we were here last time, we're so much further this time.
Yeah.
Over double.
Yeah.
Over double.
And because we chose to go the other way, it's all new scenery to us. So, yeah, it's nice. Me and Shelby in a heated discussion, as heated as those hot dogs. He doesn't like lake water. He doesn't want to drink lake water. Can you believe it? This guy, he won't drink lake water.
No.
Like, I'm not saying it's my favorite thing, but to survive.
Okay. If it's like life or death, yeah.
So all I'm saying is we don't have like that much water. All we do is we go over there, we drink some lake water. You know, after we boil it, obviously. Like, we're not trying to be that crazy out here, but yeah, just some boiled lake water. It's gonna taste like the lake.
That's the problem. Who wants water that tastes like a lake? Fish and men and gales pee in that. Ew.
Too good for lake water.
Pardon me if you drink lake water. I'm sorry about that. But, yeah, nothing against you. So I, Shelby, will not be drinking lake water. No, thank you.
I might. I ain't got nothing against the lake water as long as you boil it. It doesn't really matter. It's just flavored water. People pay for that.
Lime, lemon water, but not lake flavored.
I don't know. That
water.
lake could taste like spruce. Could taste like spruce trees.
Or it could taste like fish's poop. And swamp. And dirt. Not spruce.
Too good for lake water. This guy. We'll have to do a competition. Or a ranking. I should have started drinking all the lakes we went by. Just taking some water, boiling it, and saying, yeah.
A+.
It tastes a little more like dirt than the last one.
Ah! I lost the pepperoni. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Some good pepperoni. I'm gonna keep doing that since I did it in the first video. Just the teeth like, like it's almost too good. Nah, it's almost too good.
So good.
It's getting pretty dark. Gotta put up the hammock. But it's still beautiful out.
So pretty out. Beautiful. Like, so nice just to sit down, listen to the birds.
It's getting a little late. Sun's setting, but I'm gonna have to plan for tomorrow. About
Over
17 kilometers.
To 43.
But I got to get to putting up my hammock.
Not supposed to rain tonight, is it?
I don't think so. It might rain tomorrow night for a bit. Tonight should be fine. Shelby's hammock.
Looking for a tighter one?
Way up, yeah. It's gonna sag a lot. We are completely soaked. Just like last time, the rain's starting to pick up again.